Okay, Zach has pushed the stool over to the stove. Found one of those things that I had taken off for the burners and is trying to put them on. Okay, I'll go for the burners. What are you doing, Zach? You need to take the burner somewhere? What's in the drawer? You're very frustrated? What? Say cheese. I'm filming you because you're funny. Mama. Yeah, there's a picture of Bubby. That's right. Mama. Who's this, Zach? Who's that? Mama. Papa. And who's that? Do you know who this is? Dave. Dave. Papa. Yeah, Papa. And where's Dave? Papa. That's Papa. Who's this? Maya. That's Maya. Dave. That's right. Who's this? Do you see Grandma Jean? You say, what? Are you happy to have all your pictures? All done? You want to say bye-bye? Hey, wait, who's this? Is that Bobo? You see Bobo? No? Bobo. Yeah, Bobo. And how about this one? Is that Tavi? Hi, Tavi. Baby. Baby. He does look like a baby here. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Go back to destroying the kitchen.